by selling this bike. No, actually I'm joking. I'm going.
You should take it slow.
Hey riders, so Anna is right in online class right now. So from the time when this channel has started, I always got belted like properly. There was a challenge where I was drenched in water for like an hour, I guess.
3 more minutes. Do all the same formula a little more harder.
Seriously, bro. This guy is.
Done. Vaibhav,
Very sad, but still. And then I got splashed on my bike and my t-shirt. And also the last challenge, I had to eat boiled eggs. And so this time I'm thinking I will prank Anna by selling this bike. No, actually I'm joking. I'm gonna keep this bike on OLX for very less, like around I think 22. I don't know why 22, but 22,000. I'll keep the photo here, and I think no one will call, but I'll use my small gang, my small friends, and try irritating Anna, and we'll see how the prank goes.
20 minutes later.
Hey guys, so I just came back home. I called my friends. They're supposed to come in a minute or something. Oh, you guys are here.
Yeah, what's up?
Bro, so basically we're gonna prank Anna now.
Never.
So guys, I've just uploaded the ad on OLX. I think it'll take around 1 hour to get active. And I've got like my friend's Rehan's number, and these people also got their family numbers, because all of our numbers are obviously with Anna. So we'll see how to call him and irritate him. So guys, I just got the notification saying 1 hour is done. So we'll give like around 5 to 10 minutes gap, and then we'll call Anna. I have selected 2 people. One will speak in proper Kannada, which is me, and one more I think should be Ritvik. You'll do, no? Yeah. So Ritvik and me will gonna speak. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So guys, we are going to call him right now. What's up? All of you guys, please be quiet. Let's hope he doesn't get angry at all. Don't do comedy. Wait, we'll call him. Okay, hopefully he doesn't get angry at the first call itself. So let's go. Hello. Namaskara, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಆಡ್?
OLX ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಅದು ಥಂಡರ್ಬರ್ಡ್ 350.
ಯಾರು ಆಡ್ OLX ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ 22,000 ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ 20,000 ಸರ್.
ರಾಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದು, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್ 21,000 ಸರ್. ಓ ಬ್ರೋ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್
Caller name, no?
that's fine. So guys, we are done with the first call, and Anna is already angry, but let's go with the second call.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
You have to call this time.
Okay, I'll try.
20 minutes later.
Caller, Mr. Ritvik. Let's see how the call goes.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello sir, is this Sakir?
Yeah, Saket, who's this?
Sir, I'm a student from Christ. I've been saving a lot of money for the bike, sir. The bike you posted. Hello?
What is from Christ?
Yeah, yes sir.
Do I know you?
Sir, no sir. I saw your bike on OLX. It was for advertisement.
See, can you, what's your name?
Surapani.
See, Surabani, can you send me like advertisement, because the bike is not for sale. I don't know something is
Sir, please sir, I haven't eaten canteen food also sir. I've been saving money for like more than 6 months sir. Please sir.
Listen. It's not me who has posted that advertisement. That's why I'm telling you to send me the screenshot, because I have to get to the one who has posted the yeah. If possible, just send me a picture, but yeah, the bike is not for sale. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, but please, sir, 20,000. If you give it for 20,000, I'll come now only, sir. What do you say? It's gone, huh?
I think it's pissed, bro. God.
Acha, I think Anna's pissed, bro.
Yeah, bro. Seriously, even I think he's pissed. God knows.
What am I doing now? I think you should speak again in the Kannada voice.
But won't he get really pissed? Like, yeah, I think we'll do one last call saying we are here or something.
Yeah.
And let's see, after that we'll stop.
Okay.
Yeah, but I seriously think this is going to go somewhere else. It's getting very pissed and all. What do we do? Is there anyone else who can speak? You speak now.
I can't speak Kannada.
Hey, wait. Anna's calling. Hello? Anna?
Hey, someone has kept the thunderbird on OLX, sorry. I'm getting 4 calls till now, yeah.
Who kept ya?
We don't know what's his name. We kept it on OLX and right now I'm getting calls.
Okay.
He's saying if he doesn't call him back right now.
Okay.
But yeah, some guy from Price call, some company. Just want to check it right now.
Okay, Anna, you get that thing first, yeah, then we'll go and we'll see.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, sorry. I'm here only, right in front of my house.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. I'll just call and I'll call that kid. They will call us from some banking kind of something. No one is telling. He's not listening to what I talk also. They're not more Kannada fellow called.
Okay.
He like 20,000 I'll give. Who will give? Bike
20,000 who kept for on OLX, yeah? Okay.
That fellow is asking for 20,000 last price is different.
Okay. Okay.
I'll see.
Sorry, Anna, bye. Bro, I think we'll give another like half an hour gap and then we'll call him again. Okay. I think that's better, right?
Yeah, that's a better idea.
Now we have to see what to do
Yeah.
in the next thing.
I'm just sending screenshot also.
Yeah, that's there, but I'm thinking this time I'll call and tell him that I'm near Whitefield or something.
Yeah.
And yeah, probably that we'll do that the last call or something.
I think I'll tell.
You'll speak.
Yeah.
Again. No,
I'll tell that I'm coming for
he'll,
20K.
he'll get angry, bro. I think he might get angry this time. We'll see.
Just right.
Yeah, we'll give like another 5-10 minutes gap.
Twenty minutes later.
He's calling.
He's calling now.
Yeah.
Answer.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello. You just called me regarding the bike, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you still send me a screenshot? You told me
Yes,
that-
sir. I'm sending. I'll come in like 20 minutes, sir. For 20K, I'll just take the bike and come. I'll just take the bike and go. 20K, sir.
No. First you send me the screenshot, then you'll think about that. First you send me the screenshot first.
Okay, sir. But I'm coming, sir. For 20K,
Hey,
sir.
no. The bike is not for
Sir, I'm really close to your place, sir. Please.
No. Just first send me later. I'll tell you. Even if you come there, it's going to be I don't know, but yeah. No use. First send me the screenshot, then I'll talk to you later. That's the call and send.
Sir, once, sir. Once.
No. First you send me the screenshot. Bye.
Bro, he's pissed, bro.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Okay, so guys, we're gonna call Anna for one last time and let's see. Hello, sir. ನಾನು ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಸರ್ 20,000 ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಮಂಗ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಬೈಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ಯುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟೋಲನ್ ಇಟ್.
ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಥಂಡರ್ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅದು.
ಸರ್ ಕನ್ಮಂಗ್ಲ ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
20,000.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾ, ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ.
ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾ, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬೈಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು.
ಸರಿ, 1 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಾ.
Oh, so guys, oh shit, Anna is calling again. Anna?
Uday, that fellow is coming
Yeah, Anna, I'll be near the gate. Come. So guys, we came to the gate right now. Anna will be here in no time, but I can't imagine how it's gonna be. Hopefully he'll be coming on bike or car. So let's see. So guys, as you can see, Anna is coming there in his beat. So let's just wait for his reaction right now. He's almost here. I think he's very pissed. He spoke to me very like rude and all, but okay. Guys, he's here.
What are you doing here?
Anna, it's just a prank.
I thought it was real and I came here.
It's just a prank because you belted me in all the videos.
So guys, I just got pranked by Uday and these two other guys. Idiots. But yeah, if you guys like the prank, let me know. Because soon I'll be pranking one of these three guys for sure. Not me for sure. Would like to keep it in suspense because obviously I have to take revenge, right? So if you guys like the video and want to see more videos like that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And also don't forget to join SD Rider Tube community.
Peace.
Feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.